In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to upload your Windows 10 or 11 log files to our database using our app-based option. First, click on the Continue button, then click on the App option. Next, you have to click on the Download button. If you are using Microsoft Edge browser, you have to allow the download by clicking on the three dots next to the file name. Then click on Keep, next on Show More, then click on Keep Anyway. Now open the Windows Explorer and search for the downloaded app, which by default is in the Downloads folder. To execute the app, double-click on it, then click on More Info and click on Run Anyway. And now you just need to fill out a quick form and submit the logs.